The three-chamber view shows you the left ventricle, the left atrium, and the aorta and LVOT as the third chamber. We have a potential to look at the aortic valve and also the mitral valve. So both valves are seen at once. Portions of the right ventricle are also seen, but this is not the view where you would assess right ventricular function or problems located in the right ventricle. We're located in such a way that it's a long axis view which transects the aorta and the left ventricle and parts of the right ventricle. The three-chamber view is good to assess global and regional wall motion abnormalities, the aortic valve, the LVOT for LVOT obstruction, for looking at aortic regurgitation, and also to look at the mitral valve with respect to the presence and mechanism of mitral regurgitation and mitral stenosis. This is a comparison that shows you the difference between the long axis views from a parasternal approach and from an apical approach. Basically, we see the same structures. We have the mitral valve here, the aortic valve here, the left ventricle here and here. The only difference is that we have the apex visible in the apical long axis view, and we do not have the apex visible in the parasternal long axis view. In contrast, the parasternal long axis view gives you a better image quality usually of the aortic valve and also of the mitral valve, because we're simply closer to these valves than we are from the apical approach. But the cut line or the cut angle or cut plane is the same between the long axis view and the parasternal long axis view.